Go. Okay, good morning, guys. Today we are going to complete and continue with grammar. Okay, remember that we learned about punctuation marks? Over here the title is punctuation marks. Remember, when you have a sentence, you always end up with a period. I know it's very big, but it doesn't matter. This is a period. And when you have a sentence that asks a question, it ends up with a question mark. This is a review. We already learned this. Remember, a sentence ends with a period, and a question ends with a question mark. So right now, what you are going to do is fill in the bubble, the punctuation mark that is needed to end each sentence. Look at the example. Where are the cats? It is a sentence or a question? Correct. It is a question, so you need to fill in the bubble with your pencil. Okay, go ahead and do number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and decide whether it is a period or a question mark. You need to read out loud so that you can hear yourself. I'll do number 1. David is my baby brother. Is it a sentence or a question mark? Right, it is a sentence. You have to end it with a period, so you fill in the blank, the period. Okay? So this is what you have to do for the rest of the exercises. Go to page 11, and it is about the same. Okay? Let me erase over here. It's the same thing. You are going to use a period at the end of a sentence or a question mark at the end of an asking sentence. Remember, this is a period and this is a question mark. The instructions are, you are going to circle, this time circle, the period if what you read is a telling sentence, or circle the question mark if it is what you read is an asking sentence. Let's do number 1. I'm going to do number 1 and number 2 so that you can know what you are going to do on 3 and 4. Okay. Number 1 says, I like ice cream. Is it a sentence or it is a question? Right, it is a sentence, so you are going to circle the period. Let's do number 3. Do you like skating? Listen to my intonation. Do you like skating? It is a period or a question? It is a question mark. So go ahead and do number 2 and 4 at home, okay? I hope you understand this. Now go to page 12. It's the same. Now you are going to write, is it asking or is it telling? Look at the end of the sentence. Remember, a dot when it is a telling sentence or a question mark when it is asking. Okay, you can put sentence or telling, okay? It's the same thing. So you are going to write here, Mom likes flowers. It is a what? So you are going to write telling. Okay? So this is your exercise for right now, and when you finish this, you have to go to pages 13, 14, and 15. They are just a review about periods and question marks. It's the same thing. Okay? You are going to write either period or a question, but that is not the answer. It's just an example. Okay? This is for you to do at home, as well as 14. No, this one we are going to do it later. So just go ahead and do pages 13 and 14. 13. We are going to go ahead and do 14 and 15 later, okay? So just for homework, it's going to be 13. Okay? That's all for today.